Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions, India. Today, we're diving into the precision world of fusion welding, focusing on the sleeves of stainless steel flexible hoses using our innovative Flexi Hose Welder. Our Flexi Hose Welder stands at the forefront of welding technology, engineered with precision and efficiency in mind. With its state-of-the-art robotics solutions, we ensure seamless fusion welding of stainless steel sleeves, guaranteeing durability and reliability in every joint. From start to finish, our welding process is meticulously designed to meet the highest standards. Each sleeve undergoes a rigorous fusion welding process, where advanced automation ensures consistent quality welds, eliminating any room for error. Our team of skilled engineers meticulously monitor every step of the welding process, ensuring that each sleeve meets our stringent quality standards. With our attention to detail and commitment to excellence, we deliver welded sleeves that exceed expectations every time. Whether it's for industrial applications or commercial use, our fusion welding expertise ensures that every stainless steel flexible hose meets the demands of even the most rigorous environments. Trust Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions for precision, reliability, and innovation in fusion welding technology. Contact us today to experience the difference in quality and performance for yourself. For more such content, like, share and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.